Okay guys, so today I'm going to talk about how I actually make money online. So I am not a YouTuber with millions of views. I'm not living off affiliate links with passive income from courses. But I have made six figures online and in person, and it is not what you think. So you will want to stay tuned and listen to the entire video to hear how I actually am making my money, okay? How I'm actually living without a 9 to 5. Okay guys, so let me be real with you. I've tried everything. We're talking about digital products, ebooks, Pinterest, Etsy, AI tools, YouTube, you name it. But two things that actually brought in real money for me or freelancing and selling my jewelry online. So basically I sell my jewelry mainly, it's only seasonal, a seasonal side hustle, and it's mainly around Christmas, Mother's Day, and other times, seasonal times like Father's Day, etc. Right? So let me get into it. Let me break down how I actually make my money, right, via my freelancing and selling my jewelry. But before that, I will talk about other ways in which I make money, right? And one of them is selling templates, right? So yes, I sell PLR templates on my website. However, they don't sell every day, but I do get sales, especially from people wanting to start their own shops. And I also sell a faceless Instagram strategy ebook, right? And I also make money from coaching. So persons who have questions or need advice with their digital business, they would often, sign up for a coaching session with me, a consulting session, basically. So basically, these two forms of income is not a ton, nothing to scream about, but it adds up, all right? It adds up. So next we have affiliate marketing, right? So where I talk about, so I've promoted AI tools, I've shared links, mentioned them in my videos, but to be honest, most people just want the free information and they don't click, right? So I haven't made much money with, affiliate marketing. It was never a favorite source of income for me. The most I've made less than $100 in affiliate marketing during my time on YouTube. So that is why I was never in a haste to accept any affiliate marketing agreement or any sort of partnership or so forth with companies, because I get them all the time. Yes, at one point I wasn't getting, but now I'm getting a lot, and I would only say yes if I find I can review the product and provide to you, right? If their product can probably help you or provide some value to you, I will definitely say yes. Not for the affiliate money, because trust me, it's not a lot. So let us get into how I really make money, and that is my jewelry sales. Yes, that is my biggest money maker. Basically, I sell custom jewelry, right? Name necklaces and other meaningful jewelry pieces that persons can give, right? Or they can wear themselves. So basically that is what made me six figures, right? So I started selling that because persons always ask me where I get my lovely pieces from, because I love jewelry, and that was how I basically started my jewelry business. So basically how I started posting what I had on Facebook. It was a simple strategy, and I realized it was not reaching much people. So I just boosted my posts, and it reached so many persons that I got a lot of messages on via Messenger on Facebook, and basically that sold me as the business person, and it also sold everything, all my jewelry pieces I had for the Christmas season. I was so happy. So as mentioned earlier, I sell my jewelry. It is more like a seasonal business. So Christmas and so forth, I will make the bulk of my money. Then we have Mother's Day, we have Valentine's Day, and Father's Day is not really big. But I do make some sales on Father's Day. So people basically wanted thoughtful, personalized gifts, and I deliver that literally. So I wrap them, I deliver it, I deliver them. If someone wanted it to look special, I would make that happen. Okay, so next we have the other way in which I make money is freelancing. So basically I do social media marketing and for businesses, and that is locally mainly. So freelancing for me, it is steady, it is real-time work. When I was basically, it is what I started first when I was laid off. So freelancing, I basically started that quickly in about 2 months after I was laid off. So basically what I do is content creation. So I will create the content for the companies and I would post on their social media feed. So basically I would manage their social media feeds as well. So create content and post, right? And even, so it's not a glamorous job, but it pays faster than waiting for digital product sales, right? So it was also the very first, as I said, it was the very first business I started, and I'm still doing that today. So most of my clients are long-term, and even though I've lost some over the time, freelancing helped me to build a steady income, right? However, I am definitely looking to move out of that and become a full-time content creator. Okay, so I know some of you probably wondering what specific strategies, so I'm sure some of you wondering what specific strategies I have used on WhatsApp and Facebook to make money online. So honestly, I kept it simple, guys. I would post products on Facebook or on my WhatsApp status, and my WhatsApp status is what really brought in the money, right? So no fancy editing, just real photos and talk to people directly. To me, when you speak to them directly, you make the money faster. So that personal touch made a big difference. I even wrote a quick ebook about it, right? Make sales in minutes using WhatsApps. And guys, the link is below. Trust me, it is full. It has everything I do. I take you step by step in how I quickly started making money via Facebook and WhatsApp. And when I say quick, it was very quick. Sometimes it will take probably a few days for the ads to start. However, there are some times where you don't even have to pay money on ads. You can easily, the book has it, so check the book, okay? So basically, if you want to know how you can start something on the side, you should start small, right? One platform, one product, one post. That is how I did it. You don't need a store or perfect branding. You just share what you offer, talk to people, and keep it very simple. So guys, with all of this, one of the biggest mistakes was trying to do too much at once. I'm still even doing a lot, right? So it is always best to pick one thing and stick with it. Also, don't wait until everything is perfect, right? I made sales without a website, just a phone and photos and simple conversations. Guys, don't sell yourself short, all right? Your time and your skills are worth something. So I know this probably sounds like it was easy, but no, it was not. It took a while to start. Sleepless nights of me having to think about ways to make money. Okay, let me talk about the struggles, right? So let's be honest. Most people don't talk about the downsides of trying to make money online. I've had customers ghost me, guys, yes. And that happens more online with online clients because I think it's easier to not respond to email. It's easier for them to ignore you when you're online, okay? So just recently, I helped a customer rebuild their brand and their content strategy. So when I quoted my price, they said they couldn't afford it. But guess what? They then went to hire an agency instead. That stung me, you know. You pour your heart into something and still get treated like you're not professional enough. So on the next downside is that people will constantly want free advice. They want you to explain everything, walk through it all, but they don't want to pay for your time. Guys, sometimes it can be draining. Some days I ask myself why I keep pushing through, but to be honest, but then I look at what I get in return. I can be there for my kids, take them to the activities because they have a lot of activities, help with projects, just be present, So when I work full time, when I used to work full time, I couldn't do that. I would get home when it's dark outside, and I used to envy, other people with the kids, playing outside. So I never had that flexibility when I was working, a full-time job. Okay guys, so if you're trying to figure out your own way to make money online without the fluff, let's talk in the comments below. Please share your journey. If you're working online, please share it. Let everyone know what it really is like working your own business, right? So I want you guys to ask questions and let us just keep the conversation going. And if you want to know exactly how I use WhatsApp and Facebook to make money online, then you can watch this video next.